Time goes on. Ulta Pulta time. This is a story with topsy turvy time. As the sunset, Sumana wakes up. What a lovely evening. She washes her face fast in 2 hours and runs out. She goes straight to the bird nest. She has been watching the eggs for the last few months. She was waiting for the baby birds to come out, but before she can blink her eyes in a week, a cat jumped on to the tree. The mother bird cries loudly, and Sumana rushes to shoo away the cats. As the cat jumps, it hits the big green mango. Dum dum. In 2 days, it is on the ground. Oh, how sad! The mango is still not fully ripe. It needed one more year to become sweet. Suddenly, Sumana's sister called out, "Are you still not hungry? Has your stomach clock gone to sleep? Come and eat hot upama for dinner." Was not that funny? You must have guessed that the color word are wrong. Choose the correct word from the box given below and write it next to the wrong word. Days, rises, second, morning, breakfast, movement, minute, week. How long does it take? Have you seen someone knitting a sweater or someone weaving a cloth? Do try to find out from a potter how long it takes to make a pot. Also tell us if you take hours to or minutes to have your bath. Is it years since you last had a bath? Haha. Think to think of many different things that can take different times. Make your table as long as you can. Take time minutes a bath, 2 stitches, a shirt, to knit a sweater, to boil milk, a set of curd, to weave a sari, a school day for a banana to become recipe. Think of some other thing, some faster and some slower. Make a long list. Take second to blink your eyes, to snap your friend fingers, to gulp my medicine. For fruit to fall from a tree, take months to grow wheat from seeds, to big plant to change from summer to winter, for a baby to come out of its mother's stomach. This is activity should take only a few minutes. Clap, clap. Before you catch play this game, throw a stone into air. Clap once before you catch it. Now try to clap time before the catch. Try more Try more to clap time before the catch. Try more clap. How many times can you clap before you catch the stone? Ta thai, ta thai, ta 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 thai. Different claps, claps times, and say one, two, clap. Keep clapping. One, two, clapping. One, two. 1 2 1 2 1 2, or say ta thai. Also stamp your feet left right. Now clap with 3 beats. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Na ta thai tu ta thai tu ta thai tu. Can you stamp your feet left right? How many you can speak and stamp at the same time? Find out. Have you heard people playing a tabla or the drums? Find out a few different beats they play. Also ask but bowls they say for the beats they play. How old are we? My age today. My mother age when my mother was born. How old are we? My mother age today. Okay. Irfan mother's is twice as old as him. She is also 20 years older than him. Guess you age of Irfan and his mother. How many full moons passed since you were born? Birth certificate. Look at the birth certificate of Binsi. Birth certificate, Kerala of government. This is to certify this information is take from the original record to birth which is in the register of this year 2002. Kottayam Panchayat. Male Binsi Thomas Jacob. Sex female. Date of birth 2/5/2002. 2nd May 2002. Place Kadam Punja Hospital. Father name Jacob Tharakan. Mother name Lara Thomas. Date of registration 2 May 2002. Registration number 815/2/2. Shows 2/5/2002 shows that Binsi was born on 2 in the year 2 May in the year 2002. How old will Binsi be on 2 May 2008? How old will she be in the year 2052? On what date will she be 8 years old? Write in numbers. How many months old was Binsi on 2 August 2002? How many years old is Binsi now? After how many months of her birth was the certificate issued? What is the registration number of the certificate? Find out when were you born. Write your date of birth is number. Do you have a birth certificate? Ask You parent the and make one of yourself birth certificate. Fill in the this calendar: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Calendar. Let us look at the calendar for the year 2006. How many months does a year have? List of list the month which have 30 days. List the month which have 31 days. How many days does the month of February have? How many days make a week? How many weeks are there in July? Is it true for all the months? In which month did you come to class 3? Make a circle on these date in the calendar. 26 जनवरी, 14 नवंबर, 31 दिसंबर. Is there something special about these date? Fill in the blanks with the correct years: 2005, 2008, 2007, 2004, 2009, 2010. Which year was it 2 years back? In which year were you can class second? Which year will be the next year? Which year will come after 3 years? Which festival comes first? Given the below some festival we celebrate during the year. Look at the calendar 2006 to find the day on which these fall. Diwali 21 October, Pongal 14 January, Rakshabandhan 9 August, Gandhi Jayanti 2 October, Milad Eid Nabi 11 April, Onam 5 September, Guru Nanak birthday 5 November, Guru Ravidas birthday 13 February, Christmas Day 25 December, Bihu 14 April. Arrange the festival in the order in which they come in the year. Which festival come in the beginning of the year? Which festival come in the end of the year? Calendar magic. Here is the calendar for the month of February 2007. Let us mark a square on the calendar and see some magic. February 2007. Which is the number of in the center of the square? Join 3 numbers by drawing a line. The line must pass through the number at the center. How many such lines can you draw? Add the 3 numbers on each these line. What do you notice? Now look at the calendar of 2006. Also look of the present month and draw any similar square in the notebook. Your notebook. Does the magic work for these? In this magic possible on a 10 into 10 number chart, go to the chapter Fun with Number and check. More magic 2007 March 7. I can add 5 number in the box in a moment. Oh, that will take some times. Total number is 75. That's right. How did you do that? Simple, just multiply the middle number by 5. See if this magic work of other lines which have 5 numbers but about 5 numbers on a slanting line. Try this trick with your family and friends. Can you find your magic pattern in the calendar? Complete the calendar for August 2006. Color all the Sunday in the red. On which day does this month end? Write the number of day in this month. Birthday is it on 13 August. But is the date of the on the second Saturday is the 21 Sunday. What is the day on the 29th? What will be date on the same day next week? How many Thursday are there in this month? Find out which months in the calendar 2006 have 5 Sundays. Is there any other days in any month which comes 5 times? Can there be 6 days Sundays in a month? Why? The true story of Ped Ki Devi. My timeline. My name is Ped Ki Devi. I live in a village of Dhanbad district, Jharkhand. I never got a chance to go to school. I remember that when I was 5 years old, I broke my foot. I had climbed in a tree to eat the jamun fruit, but the branch broken. I fell down. My foot still hurts in the winter. While grazing our goats, we often got busy in playing. Once at the age of 10 years, I got a big scolding. I had lost one goat. At the age of 15 years, I was married. My husband was much older than me. My first daughter was born 3 years after my marriage. Later, I had three more children. When I was 20, 22, and 24 years old, time passed very fast. Then I was busy with my farm, house work, and looking after my animal. But at the age of 35 years, my world came to a stop. My husband fell ill and died. His brother tried to take away our farm. They beat I badly, me badly, and said I was a witch. Some got good people say me. We found fought a case against those who beat me up. At the age of 40 years, I saw a police station for the first time. When I was 45, I learned to read and write. 2 years later, I got my eldest daughter married. Now I am 50 years old. I enjoy playing with my grandchild. Two of my children are studying in school. Something that happened in her life are given below. Mark these on her timeline. For example, when she was 5 years old, Pedki broke her foot. A is marked at 5 on the timelines. Broke her foot, lost one, got married, had her fourth child. First saw a police station, learned to read and write. Eldest daughter got married. Mark on the timeline when she was born. In the blank box, draw a picture of Pedki as a newborn baby. Make your own timeline. Ask people around you and mark at least one thing that happened in each year of your life. Make your timelines. People you admire. These can be from among your family, friends, teacher, etc. One day in the life of Kusum. Let's see what Kusum does every day. Write down the time for each picture. For some picture, the time is already written, and you must draw the hands on the clock. In others, you have to write the time shown by the clock. Kusum God gets up early in the morning at 6:30 in the morning. She brings water from the well. She cleans her house. She goes to school at the at 8 o'clock. She is studying in the school. She comes back from school 1 o'clock in the afternoon. She takes lunch with her brother and grandmother. She plays with her friends. 5:30 in the evening, 9 o'clock at night, she listens to a story from her grandmother from the before she sleep. Now prepare a chart showing your own daily routine, time of the day in words on the clock. What do you do at this time?